Good morning, student. So, this is our last lecture on the crystal structure. So, in previous lecture, we have discussed about the defects in the crystal and their applications. So, one of the most important applications of crystalline compound is liquid crystal. So, liquid crystal is the property of matter. That means the matter in a state that has properties between those of conventional liquid and those of solid crystal. That means at this stage some matter shows a property like liquid as well as property of solid. That means it is a state between the conventional liquid and solid crystal. Here I would like to show a schematic representation. So this type of molecule association, it is in the solid crystalline form. But if we increase the temperature, the translational energy of the molecule increases. So this is completely conventional liquid. That means there will be some cohesive force of attraction between the molecule and equal to translational energy, or we can say kinetic energy. But in between this conventional liquid and solid state, there is one additional state of matter is generated for some solid crystalline compounds. This state is called as liquid crystal because it is a crystalline compound, but it shows the property of liquid. So if you see, this is completely solid. Then if we increase heat, so it shows a liquid crystal. And then again you increase the temperature, so it completely convert into conventional liquid form. So some of the crystalline compound shows such properties is called as liquid crystal properties. So liquid crystal phases are generally anematic, then smectic and cholesteric phases. That means it is only arrangement of these molecules, rod like molecules or big molecules. So this is schematic representation of nematic crystal structure. This is smectic and this is cholesteric type of liquid crystal. This compound shows an isotropic substance may go through one or several liquid crystalline state. That means we already seen the solid state classification of the crystalline compound, that is isomorph, polymorph and anisotropic compound. Generally anisotropic compound are showing this type of properties, that means liquid crystal properties. So why some molecule shows a liquid crystal properties or anisotropic properties? Because the liquid crystal molecule prefer to align parallel to each other because of a strong intermolecular attraction. We can say pi-pi interaction or cohesive force of attraction has strong cohesive force of attraction. Generally, this type of attraction is observed in very big molecules or rod-like molecules. There will be pi-pi interaction, and such type of molecules show generally these properties when it transfer from solid state to liquid state. It generates a intermediate state we call as a liquid state or liquid crystal. In this state, the compound shows a property like liquid and behaves like solid. So this is called as liquid crystal. So what is the application of the liquid crystal? So if you see the application, it has n number of application in the liquid crystal system. So that it is used as a temperature sensor. It is in medical uses, electrical devices. It is used in solar panels or solar cells. Then it is used in chromatographic separation. It is used in several displays. Liquid crystal thermometer, optical imaging. This is very wide application, that is liquid crystal display. The most of common application of the liquid crystal technology is a liquid crystal display that we have already observed in LCD display of all digital devices. Second is thermal mapping, that is non-destructive testing. That means its liquid crystalline shows a temperature sensation. So it is used as a temperature mapping instrument. So it is also used in medical uses. Cholesteric liquid mixture have also been suggested for measuring body skin temperature to outline tumors, etc. when treatment with radioactive element. Then it is also used in optical imaging and liquid crystal interaction with nanostructure. It also can be useful. So it is used in chromatographic technique. It is used as a solvent for different spectroscopic techniques, and it has a number of application as a LCD display. We see the autoclave, then bank system, then industrial corridor, then the medical instruments, then office automation, then phones, cell phone, then in intelligent buildings, MID, PMP. It is used in cordless phone. It is in electronic tracks. It is also used in GPS system. So n number of application of this property. So here we stop the lecture, and our chapter, that is crystal structure, here is finished with their numericals. Thank you.